Good morning vlog. Today we're in what, Grand Turk?
Oh, we just got here.
We just made it here.
Look at the beach. Beautiful. The weather's amazing. But we're rushing per usual.
So that we can go ahead and try to.
Our excursion was at 8:30. It's currently 9. But allegedly they told us that we couldn't get off the boat. But they never told us when we could get off the boat. So we're sitting waiting. When we go downstairs, they said we could have gotten off the boat 25 minutes ago.
Yeah. What she said. I'm just, you know, I'm kind of hungry and thirsty. Good morning. But I'm excited to see what we're doing today. We're gonna be doing things I've never done before, so I'm always down for the experience.
He really thought he had it in the bag too. Okay guys, so we did miss our excursion, but we were able to, instead of the catamaran, so we're going to do 2 reef snorkel, which is similar, but we're going to 2 reefs and snorkeling. So we're gonna do that at 1:30 instead of the 8:30 that we missed. So yeah, we're gonna go back on the boat right now to get breakfast. We have to have a few hours, and we're just gonna try to get back on the island around 12 so that we can enjoy the ocean and stuff, because our excursion now ends at 4 as opposed to the 12. So you're not gonna have as much time on the island, but that's okay because it's very hot, as you can see. Oh, my name's Larry, you know, Genevra's friend Larry, the big brat. Yeah, period. All right, so y'all, we're gonna go get breakfast. Getting back on the boat. It's only one side. Just to wash the germs off you.
Alright guys, so like Larenica told you earlier, we did miss our excursion. So basically we just came back on the boat to eat. Let me show you what they got. I got an arepa, and that's hash brown. They got some breakfast taco. Larry also got a breakfast taco, and I think they're getting like pancakes and omelets and whatnot. So we don't really know. We're just gonna take the day as it goes. But yeah, we're kind of just chilling, not mad about missing. I mean, we get money back from missing the excursion, so it's a win-win. But yeah, so whatever we get into next, we'll let you guys know. Okay, y'all, this is our friend Devin. We met him since day 1. He's gonna be in the NBA soon. So you gotta let him know.
I'm gonna be a firefighter.
You see, oh, firefighter. Yeah, they did tell me that. I wasn't there when.
Really?
Why not? Why not?
Too much.
Yeah, he too good for the NBA. He said he gonna whoop everybody in the NBA.
Everybody.
Right, over there. But he's from Memphis, right? He's from Memphis. So yeah. So I ends up. I can't even do that. But yeah, he's been our day 1. He's pretty cool. But what you about to get into on the Grand Turk?
Probably go get off and just walk the beach.
That's it?
I was laughing when I got
out there.
Well, yeah, that's what we're gonna do too. Just walk the beach for a little bit, and then Larry, you told them about the coral reef, and then yeah, the coral reef.
That's what we're gonna do instead if we miss the catamaran.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Okay. We're thinking of getting massages. It's not too expensive, but I need a massage. Okay, so we're about to take some pictures, and then we're gonna chill on the beach until it is time for us to get on the 2 reef boats, and then after that we're gonna be snorkeling. I really don't know what we're doing, chat. I'm just here for the vibe. I'm not chilling.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
You doing it too?
That's the only way you get through, I guess.
Okay. The beach is so beautiful. So beautiful. There's more people on the beach. Dang, that's such a big beach. Everybody's so happy out here in the water. You getting in the water? No?
But am I gonna take off my whole skirt? No.
Oh, you going in the water with the skirt on?
I don't want to be like pumping out.
Immigration, let's do a picture.
No, thank you.
And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
How you feeling, darling?
I'm good. Hot, but it's not that bad.
Are you enjoying yourself?
I am. Are you?
Yeah, I am.
I am. So vibe.
Yeah, we're vibing. That's my friend right there, y'all.
How many years in county would you like? How many years? Wait.
How many years in county?
4.
It's been that long. It's so crazy. We started off in a pageant. Look at us.
Oh, my bad.
Come here.
I thought it was a vlog.
Her is such a beauty.
The lighting is much better on this than on your camera.
I know, my camera playing. Hey, we're still on the beach, but it sounds like I'm seeing beach. Like, it sounds like I'm seeing
right
beach.
here.
For what? What beach?
That beach.
What you talking about?
We crawled under. This was the entrance right here.
Oh.
Still on the beach. We're heading to our rooms now so that we can change. Some's gonna change their bottoms. I'll be changing my whole outfit. And then we're gonna head to snorkeling. Okay, so we got back in the room and we changed our bathing suits. They changed their bathing suits. I was gonna change mine, but I decided to change the cover-ups. I put on a hat. I know you guys almost didn't recognize me because it's giving bougie bitch. Okay.
Dog, I can't wait to see this vlog, man. I'm gonna please. Dog! It's so quiet!
They're embarrassing me.
Embarrassing.
What time it is? It's currently 1:12 right now. We're supposed to be on the boat at 1:30. So what'd you say?
Yes, yeah. We're not supposed to be. Oh, we are.
So, and we're gonna go get something to drink before we go if we have the time. I just want you to see how cute I looked, how sexy I was. Oh, please let me.
Well, you have to.
And it's spoken. It's giving rich mama with no bags.
With no bags?
No bags for my first day.
Oh, you don't got a bag.
No, got that either. We're heading on the way now. We almost finished that excursion too, but we made it right on time. I'm ready for us to have some more fun. We have like 2 more days on the island.
Well, we have one more full day.
One more full day. And then we go back home. So we're trying to, you know, I gotta hold on to my dress. I gotta hold on to my hat. I gotta hold on to this cup. Huh. Dang, they're on time.
Because we gotta get back to the boat.
Yeah, this is my first time doing this. I'm so scared. So, like, I'm all dressed up to snorkel. This is the outfit.
Going?
I'm not going.
And on we'll go. On we'll go.
not
be.
Minerva.
And on we'll go.
You good? There you go.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
Y'all stay next time.
we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways.
Yeah, shut up.
And on
Alright, y'all say bye. Bye.
Okay, we're at the second location. It's called the library because there's a library next to the boat. I wasn't gonna go back in there, but you know, I'm not a quitter. There's dolphins. I'm gonna try to take videos of them.
and we'll grow.
So, to update you guys, I hope you guys can hear me. We're on our way to dinner. Today is our green night. So we're currently taking photos and then we're gonna head to dinner.
Here. What they give us something to drink for it?
We're currently at a quiet dinner. We're waiting to order. Sorry for the quality. I don't have my vlog camera with me at the moment, so the phone quality is gonna have to do for now.
Can I have the iced and smoked fresh oysters?
Smoke would be raw with everything. That's what would be raw.
Do you have it non-raw?
Sorry?
Do you have it where it's not raw?
No, it's
You don't steam it?
No, it's just a raw. They just
oysters
open it
always
up, put
raw?
on top of the ice, and we just put the smoke from outside.
They're usually raw? Are oysters usually served raw?
Yes, especially in the steakhouse. In the dining room, we used to serve with the fried, but here,
Oh no, yeah, I'll take that like that. Can I have lemon and hot sauce on the side?
you just give me a second. Let me check what you can have from the appetizer.
Okay.
Should have been original.
Do they come bread with bread?
Oh, let's see behind her.
Can I get the iced and smoked fresh oysters? Can I also get the main lobster beef? The entree. And what you got? What was it that you got? The boiled lobster tail?
Yes.
Okay, I forgot the squid, sorry.
Side would be.
I know you didn't want the Dover, so you said something about.
I got potatoes, the Yukon Gold potatoes, and the mac and cheese with the broiled lobster tail. You can only get one entree.
Whatever she said, I want.
The same order.
Yeah, you have ordered a lobster tail, right?
Yes.
So you want baked potato and broccoli in the side?
Yeah,
I didn't get
whatever.
broccoli. I got mac and cheese and
She
lobster.
got mac and
Oh, yes, you got
cheese. My dessert now I will choose on my own. So I want to do the. Hey, what you got again? Apple tart. Apple tart topping. I think I want to try that one.
Which one do you
What's,
I got that too.
you got that
What
too?
did you get? Which one?
Apple tart.
She trying not to say that. Eat tartare.
The pork.
That's different.
Yeah, only no pork, right?
Yeah, no pork. So I put on a modeling show for the workers and the other people that are in here. And I also put on the show for you guys. Let me know how I did. I hope you guys were thoroughly entertained. So you guys will be seeing my next performance on the next clip. Enjoy the show.
Give a face. Yeah. Switch. Ooh. Don't hurt him now. Look how they look at. Wow.
I'm gonna be trying oysters. I smoked oysters.
Oh, I'm like, why is it
want
They
to
just
do
put something
this.
on it. You're not gonna eat? She
I
don't eat her
am.
food. She wait till they bring out the next one to decide she wanna start eating.
She don't know how to eat it, that's why.
I'm watching you eat it first. Did you put lime in it?
I wanna taste how they made it. And it tastes like fire.
It tastes like fire.
You have all that heat. Oh, it's already out.
Okay. I'm so scared to eat this.
I just did that because Snap would show me how to do it once, but I don't think it's gonna taste good on this.
I would hope not, because they're being so careful.
Yeah.
You don't like it? You gotta just swallow it, innit?
You can't chew it, you just swallow? Got me chewing this thing right now.
That was quite good.
You said it was good? Let me try again.
A lot of people doing that now. I told Kiana go shoot. She was been supposed to start. You want to travel? We can't start, baby.
That girl took it back. You gotta do the shots right now.
Do I swallow it?
How, you like it now?
No.
Do I chew it?
Swallow it. When you take it back, so just swallow it. Let it slime down your throat.
It's not good.
Like, you
I
want to do a
can
cheers?
chew it. I can chew it.
Why? No, it's
There's stuff inside.
what?
Oh my god.
What? What do I do with that?
Look, you take it like this.
Hurry up, hurry up. As soon as I chew it,
Don't do it. Don't do it. Just get your napkin and spit it out.
it was an experience. Huh?
You ate two?
I ate one.
Oh.
I
Oh, that
know
was
it-
the first one?
That was the first one.
Oh my god.
What she
You
did
put it in
was
your
the
mouth twice? You had to spit it out?
I chewed a little bit of it. I took a little piece. I don't know if I can do the other two. I'll leave it for last.
You ain't gonna do that.
I probably won't eat it. You're right.
Wow.
Please be very careful. It's very, very hot coming out of the oven just now. Okay?
Thank you. I'm so sorry.
You go with a dry sack sherry on your caviar, lobster cultured butter, and lobster sandwich.
Oh.
It's a soup?
It's a soup.
Roast beef. I guess how sounded Ludo their performance. We danced with them yesterday.
That's it. Tender though. It's gonna fall off the bone.
Oh, that's how I like it. Raw meat.
That's what you said, dog. Because you said,
Count down 3, 2, 1. Come on, what you guys seeing is an illusion. It's looks in camera, I see. Go like that. Breaks.
Wait, what the hell? Wait, what the hell? Wait.
I can't figure it out.
Do it again.
How y'all feel about the magic show?
Witchcraft. That's what that was. It was witchcraft. Because she's going to insert the clips and y'all going to see how that made no sense. No type of sense.
Yeah, I literally, I'm still like what the fuck? Like, that's how I feel. Like, what the fuck?
Crazy.
it was really good. I liked it.
Yeah. It was a nice entertainment for like
nice.
when you're waiting on your food. So
Yeah, that was good.
yes.
Our meal is here.
Thank you.
Oh, you want something? Like, why am I doing that?
When I cook,
We're done with our dinner. Now we're heading to our room. Everyone's kind of tired, but we still have a long night ahead of us. And we're just gonna, hang out for a little bit because our trip is soon coming to an end.
hey y'all, so I'm about to either go to the comedy show or the deck because they're having fun on the deck, and then the comedy show started at 10:30. So depending on if it's seats or not, I'm gonna go to either one, and then afterwards around 12:30 I'm gonna come back and wake up Gabby, and Geneva because they're gonna take a nap and we're gonna hit the club. So yeah, see y'all soon. Bye.
Okay, so it's currently 1:41. They were supposed to wake us up at 12:30. I think they have fallen asleep because we were supposed to go to the nightclub together. So let's see. I knew it. They fell asleep. Watch. Look at this. Look at y'all talking about waking us up at 12:30. What movies were y'all watching? What movies was watching y'all? Cause clearly y'all was sleeping. I knew it because she said she had a headache. So she was sleeping. There's no nightclub tonight. We're just gonna chill and sleep on the deck. That's the outfit that I was gonna wear to the club, but then these two, they fell asleep and never woke me up. I was gonna, but now I can't. So I'm gonna just walk over. What a day! The day.
I can't take this seriously.
The day has finally come to an end. It's currently almost 3 o'clock. We never made it to the club, but you know, we watched the end of a great movie. I don't know the title of it, but it was great. But I'll be closing out the vlog. I hope you guys were thoroughly entertained. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I will be back with the next one. Beso, beso.